So I see that there's something you want. Can you explain to me, using simple concepts and terms, what it is that you want? What do you want?
White blue shoes.
You want the white and blue shoes? Why?
White blue shoes. No.
But as we've already explained, Olly, it's raining outside. You can see the umbrella there. It is raining, therefore the ground is wet.
White blue shoes.
Yeah, so if you get wet white and blue shoes, they won't be very happy feet, will they? So would you like to wear white and blue shoes, or would you like to wear your nice green yellow donkey boots?
No, white blue shoes.
You want to wear white and blue shoes outside in the rain? Well, you see, Olly, the situation we have here is that your desires and needs have reached the very upper limit of the comprehension level that your brain allows. Your ability to form sentences is competing against your ability to not get wet feet. This is what we call an impasse. We are at an impasse. You do want white blue shoes. Can you possibly make a compelling argument as to why you should wear white and blue shoes? Why? Because they are white and blue shoes. Well, you do make a strong point, Olly. They are, in fact, white and blue. These shoes that you would like to wear out in the rain. But also, Olly, you see, these shoes have a hole in the sole. Look, there's a big hole here, look, like that. Which, unfortunately, that means those shoes are no longer hermetically sealed.
No, white blue shoes.
I know. That means that the water from the street will then go onto your feet and socks, but not necessarily in that order, resulting in wet shoes. Well, if you have waterproof socks, then you'd be able to wear the white and blue shoes, but unfortunately, we don't have waterproof socks. So we need some socks. Alright, have you got any waterproof socks? We need socks that don't get wet, which would be waterproof. Have you got any waterproof socks?
No.
In that case, we have to go to Emart and buy some waterproof socks. But in order to do that, we'd have to walk, which would mean wearing Wellington boots to go and buy the waterproof socks, which would then allow you to wear the white and blue shoes, which would defeat the point somewhat.
Feet are okay.
They're okay now because they're not wet, but think about the weather outside, Olly. It's quite cold and wet.
Try.
Again, you make a good point, but the idea of trying something is to test whether it works.
Try.
And in this case, we know that it doesn't work. And also, trying shoes would involve trying them on here. If you go outside, you've already committed to the action, in which case you're no longer trying, but just simply doing. And I don't want to do this. So, let me explain one more time, Olly. I, as your father, have a role to nurture and protect
Daddy.
you. Yeah, I am your daddy, that's right.
Look, Daddy, warning sign.
Oh, there's a warning sign, exactly.
Fire.
Exactly, but do you know why it causes a fire, Olly?
Look.
You don't. That's because you are the child and I am the parent. So as a parent, it's my responsibility to stop you doing things like going outside and getting wet shoes when you have a cold.
Look, Daddy.
Oh. Yeah, it's a warning sign.
What's that?
Do you know, if I put a warning sign on your shoes, would that make it easier for you to understand? Your shoes have a warning sign, Olly. The shoes say, do not wear in the rain. Bad for rain. Look here, there's the warning sign there. It says don't, it's right there. The warning sign says do not wear in the rain.
Oh.
So do you want to wear them in the rain?
No.
Oh, you're very clever. You saw the warning sign.
This one?
Yeah, it's just like this. This warning sign. This warning sign. This one says do not set on fire with a cattle prod. This one says do not wear white and blue shoes in the rain. Because you'll get wet feet and you'll get an even worse cold. Also, did you put your shirt on yourself? Yeah, so are we going to wear our donkey boots?
No.
Oh.
White blue shoes.
But we've already established, Olly, that the white and blue shoes have a warning sign which says do not wear in the cold and the rain. So the donkey boots are designed for cold and wet circumstances.
Yes.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
This.
Yeah.
This one.
They're very nice, but only for outside in sunny days, not for cold and rainy days, only when your babies have got colds.
No, we need to.
We need to wear some boots outside today.
What we need to wipe business.
Ah. We do. I mean, we do, but sometimes there's things that we need that we can't have.
Socks.
You want to wear leaky shoes, no socks, and shorts.
Socks.
And your conclusion is that we should try this and see whether it works. I think I'm going to start sending you to school.